Good morning, AP Lang and English 1102. Tuesday morning, kind of rainy, crazy outside. Hope you guys have a good morning. Sorry for it being so late. The internet was crap at my house, so I'm back here at my office at United Community Bank, social distancing with a container full of Clorox wipes to disinfect when I leave. So, hope you guys read the blog yesterday. Okay, sorry about the trigger warning, new blog post looks and everything. So, yeah, I just needed a change. Needed something purple. Yay, go Panthers! Guys, putting some grades in. Supposed to have them in today. CT said, we'll start sending out messages. You guys are all fine. Okay. We'll talk about this whole College Board YouTube channel for AP Lang assignment for the exam later. Praise Jesus, I found something yesterday that was better. Somebody has made a prompt out of the Queen Elizabeth speech to her troops, and I am happy because we're going to use that one. I like it better. It's rhetorical analysis. We're almost positive that's what the exam free response 45-minute at-home question is going to be, so we'll go from there. You 31102 kids will be doing something too, so don't worry. I'm not going to make y'all do that. Anyhow, I hope you did this lesson yesterday, guys. This lesson is key for today. I hope you guys looked at the common fallacy sheet. It is linked, of course, right here. I can't remember exactly where I have it. Excuse me. It's linked right here on the factcheck.org, Monty Python, the Quest for the Perfect Fallacy. You guys have a couple of little boxes here that show the different types of fallacies, gives you examples, and then how those fallacies kind of work out. Okay. Hope you watched the videos. Hope you enjoyed some of the comedy. I hope you also looked at this sheet, guys. You have it in your binder. It's a logical fallacy sheet. Remember, logical fallacies, potential vulnerabilities or weaknesses, flaws in an argument. Even if you didn't have it in your 1101 binder, here it is. Okay. I know some of you didn't have 1101 last semester. Definitions of some of the logical fallacies. Y'all, I'm going to link this today on the blog as well. It's another page, thou shalt not commit logical fallacies. You click on each of these, it gives you a definition. It actually gives you an example of each of the different logical fallacies. So there are millions, you guys know that, and there's all kinds of different names for them. So don't panic about that. The whole point of this is you guys kind of understanding that logical fallacies can be many different things. This is, of course, Plato, Socrates, Aristotle, thinking, oh my gosh, what's happened to logic in the world? You can ask that about right now, the times that we're living in now. I hope you guys know that this is what I'm going to have you do today, okay? It's going to be a USA Test Prep thing. Guys, I know that this is not y'all's favorite platform, but I need you to just understand that I need a break from so many emails, okay? So what you have in front of you here is a thing that's going to be due at 6 p.m. today. Please submit on time, okay? You're going to have lessons. I know some, you're going to have time. I know some of you work, but I also know some of you don't. Recall yesterday's lesson on logical fallacies and how they weaken arguments. Open this lesson in a tab if you need to, and then the lesson from yesterday on the blog, and then you have 9 fallacious statements below. They have a fallacy. Example is completed for you. When you attempt to make an argument, circular reasoning, by beginning with an assumption that you're trying to prove is already true. Circular. It's going around and round in a circle. In your premise, you already accepted the truth of the claim you're attempting to make. Example, women should choose to terminate pregnancy. Should be able to choose to terminate pregnancy. Analysis, women should be able to choose to terminate a pregnancy as an opinion. It also expresses the same thoughts as abortion should be legal. You cannot support an conclusion with an opinion or with itself in order to create a strong argument. Proper support must come from sources other than the original opinion in order to provide convincing and credible evidence. You may copy and paste this below. You see what we have here, guys? You have an example, a red herring. You have the different types of examples of fallacies, and then you have a way to analyze it. You do not have to put the blanks there, guys. Do whatever you need to do to make this work for you. Talk your way through it. Talk to me. Remember what I said yesterday. It's not as important as you understanding exactly what it means as it is that you can see that there is a flaw in the argument. Okay? If you want to work in some of the other fallacies from these 2 pages right here, if you feel like there's something different that you might see in those fallacies, work it in, guys. Okay? Again, this is something I want to have done by this afternoon. And if